5:47 in the morning. You stare at your phone. The alarm says Walmart with a smiley face. You don't move, not yet. You just stare. Like maybe if you ignore it long enough, this day won't start. You hit snooze, roll over, close your eyes, and for a few seconds, you pretend you don't have a job. Then reality hits. Rent's due, car insurance already lapsed, mom needs money, and suddenly, getting fired isn't an option. So you get up, slow, heavy, not because you want to, but because $14 an hour is still $14 an hour. You get dressed, same routine, same clothes, same feeling in your chest. You walk into the store, employee entrance, flickering lights above you, that same smell, cardboard, dust, and something artificial. 6:02, shift started at 6 o'clock. Marcus is standing by the time clock, doesn't say anything, he just looks at you. That look. Marcus has been here 9 years, nine, makes 1650. Still here, still watching people like you clock in late. You punch in, the machine beeps, and just like that, you're not a person anymore, you're on the clock. You grab your vest, it's not even yours. Name tag says Deshaun. You pause for a second. Deshaun made it out, transferred or quit. Either way, he's gone. You look in the mirror, really look. Yeah, this ain't it. But it's Tuesday, and Tuesday means grocery. Grocery isn't a department, it's a workout. You'll lift boxes all morning, cereal, cans, water packs over and over. By noon, your arms will burn, your back will ache, and nobody will notice. Customers will ask where things are. You'll tell them clearly, aisle 14, aisle 6, right behind you. And they'll still stare at you like you're the problem. You glance over at OGP, online grocery pickup. They're running, actually running. One of them looks at you for a second. Their eyes are empty, like they've already checked out, but their body's still there. You look away. For a moment, it's quiet. You're stocking cereal, boxes sliding onto shelves, perfect lines. Your brain goes blank. No thoughts, no stress, just movement. Peace for maybe 30 seconds. Then, excuse me, you already know. Do you work here? You're wearing a vest, holding a box, standing in the aisle. Yes, ma'am. I've been looking for gluten-free pasta for 20 minutes. It was right here last week. You already know where it is. Aisle 11. Been there for months. But you don't say that. Yes, ma'am. Aisle 11. That's not where it was. You nod. Of course. You walk her there, step by step. She looks at the shelf, pauses. It looks different. And just like that, she leaves. No thank you, no acknowledgement, nothing. Intercom crackles. Code C, aisle 7, spill. You make eye contact with Marcus. Big mistake. He points. Of course. You get there, pasta sauce everywhere. Red across the floor, glass shattered. A kid nearby, laughing. You grab the mop, start cleaning, slow circles. People walk around you, like you're invisible. Someone asks you about a TV in grocery. You just nod, point them somewhere else. Break time, 15 minutes. You sit down, pull out crackers from home. $8 left in your account until Friday. Destiny sits next to you. 4 years here, 2 kids, same tired eyes. How's grocery? You take a breath. Pasta sauce. She nods. Always pasta sauce. Jalen drops into a chair. I just helped a guy find motor oil. You look at him. We don't sell motor oil here. I know. Silence. This is the real part. The break room. No customers, no fake smiles, no pressure. Just people trying to exist. And somehow that's enough because they get it. They're the reason you come back, not the money, them. Attention associates, the cheer, mandatory. You stand in a circle, grown adults. Give me a W. A few voices respond. You mouth the letters, no sound. Your own small rebellion. 2 hours left. The store is chaos now. Lines building, self-checkout breaking down. Your brain does the math. $28 before tax, 23 after. A man walks up, points at a steak. Price doesn't match. He wants it fixed. Now. You call for help. Wait. He sighs. Impatient. Like you did something wrong. You wait together. Finally, it's fixed. He takes it. Walks away. No thank you, of course. 2:28 p.m. You're at the time clock, watching the seconds. Feet hurting, voice gone. 5, 4, 3, 2, beep. You're done. You pull off the vest, walk outside, and the air hits different. Real air, parking lot, a kid, 17 maybe, pushing carts, headphones in, doesn't even look up. Tomorrow, he'll be here again, just like you. I 47 a.m., same alarm, same life. You sit in your car, look at the building, that big blue sign. People say, it's just a job. It builds character. It's temporary. Maybe. But right now, this is your life. And your life deserves more than just. Because inside that store, Destiny, Jalen, Marcus, they're not background characters. They're the story. They show up every single day, even when they don't want to. You start your car, pull out of the lot in the mirror, the doors keep opening. The store keeps swallowing people whole. So yeah, POV, you're a minimum wage worker at Walmart